There are two kinds of types in the Java programming language, primitive types and reference types. There are correspondingly two kinds of data values that can be stored in variables, passed as argument, returned by method, and operated on, primitive types and reference types. There is also a special null type, the type of the expression null, which has no name. Because the null type has no name, it is impossible to declare a variable of the null type or to cast to the null type. The null reference is the only possible value of an expression of null type. The null reference can always be assigned or cast to any reference type. In practice, the programmer can ignore the null type and just pretend that null is merely a special literal that can be of any reference type. The primitive types are Boolean, byte, short, int, long, char, float, and double. Primitive values do not share state with other primitive values. The numeric types, the integral types, and the floating point types. The Boolean type has exactly two values, true and false. Integer operations. The Java programming language provides a number of operations that act on integral values. The comparison operators, which result in a value of type Boolean, the numerical comparison operators, the numerical equality operators. The numerical operators, which result in a value of a type int or long, the unary plus and minus operators, the multiplicative operators, the additive operators, the prefix and postfix increment operators, the prefix and postfix decrement operators, the signed and unsigned shift operators, the bitwise complement operator, the integer bitwise operators, the conditional operator, the cast operator, which can convert from an integral value to a value of any specific numeric type. The string concatenation operator, which when given a string operand and an integral operand, will convert the integral operand to a string. The decimal form of a byte, short, int, or long operand, or the character of a char operand. And then produce a newly created string that is the concatenation of the two strings. Other useful constructors, method, and constant are predefined in the classes of byte, short, integer, long, and character. Any value of any integral type may be cast to or from any numeric type. There are no casts between integral types and the type Boolean. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American researcher, inventor, engineer, and entrepreneur. My life story is available in my autobiography. I pursue what I really want to do in my life, which is advancing AI, robotics, human longevity biotech, and nuclear fusion reactors powered outer space tech. I sell a number of products online for commissions for financially self-supporting my cause of advancing science, technology, and capitalism. I personally use all the products that I sell via affiliate marketing or online recommendation. All the products I sell online are listed at alanyoung.dev/product. I need to stay lean for top mental performance. Being fat slows me down. Being lean speeds me up. Visit alanyoung.dev/fat loss for the natural diet, body fat loss product I use and recommend. I need to constantly program my mind for success. Visit alanyoung.dev/success for the Success Mind programming product I use and recommend. I need to handle my dating and lifestyle for success in my whole life, not just in business and career. Visit alanyoung.dev/dating for men's dating and lifestyle coaching product I use and recommend. I teach myself software development for developing and commercializing AI, robotics, biotech products. Visit alanyoung.dev/courses for my software development courses. I'm looking for accredited investors for funding my startup in AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion tech. If you'd like to invest in my startup, visit robocentric.com/investors.